Good morning, everybody. I'm really excited to introduce you today to Mike. Mike is one of our trained facilitators and coaches inside of PDS and who has been leading our social events, our routines on a daily basis since its very beginning days. So if you're not already familiar, PDS has a whole bunch of different really exciting routines. We have a sharing circle that Mike leads throughout the week. We have self-discovery routines for our students. We have a communication script practice to really help people if they're struggling in communication to be able to model it and practice it with one another. Then we have a whole bunch of study groups. And of course, we have meditations. So today you're going to hear a meditation from Mike that is absolutely fantastic, really excited to share. And we will be putting more of these on the channel in the weeks and months to come. And I'll let Mike sort of share a little bit here about meditation. And if you just want to introduce yourself and share a little bit about you.
Yeah, great. Thanks, Tice. Nice to be here. So basically, for me, meditation is one of the things that helped me the most in sort of my journey. So I started out meditating maybe like 5 minutes a day, so not too much. As a lot of you know, if you tried meditating before, the first time you do it, it's like really hard. Like your kind of brain wants to just like take you out of it and get out of your chair and go run around. But the more you do it, the more it sort of becomes easier, and then the benefits really start to come through. So basically, what I try to teach beginners is a guided meditation. We do a lot of different types, but basically, you get to just sit there, listen to my voice, and then kind of reap the benefits just from kind of listening, letting your mind slow down, letting your body slow down. There's mental benefits, physical benefits, but I'd say the main thing that it helps people with is just to check in what's going on inside of their body. A lot of times we're run by the outside world from the moment we wake up. So it's actually a time where we get to go inside, see how we're feeling, see what we're thinking, and just observe what's going on inside of our body. If we never take that time, then we really don't know sometimes what we need. So that's why I love meditation. I love showing people meditation, so they can really kind of cultivate a good inner environment. And once your inner environment feels good, obviously your outer environment's going to feel a lot better. So
100%.
yeah.
And I'm like such a fan of meditation. I meditate twice a day, every day. And, I know you've been in the field for about 8 years, running meditation groups, doing all sorts of different things. And so I feel like today everybody's going to get an amazing opportunity to sit, to listen, to check in, and to just relax and sort of rest for a little bit in the relationship to themselves. So thank you for sharing. We'll kick off the meditation now. And thank you so much for being here.
For sure. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Welcome everyone to today's meditation. Today we're going to be focusing on finding the breath. The body's always breathing and the breath is constantly moving. Your breath is not only the best place to start, it's a constant you can return to anytime you need a little centering. Focusing on our breath brings us back to the present moment, to the here and the now, where everything is good, everything is peaceful. We don't have to worry about what happened earlier today or in the week. We're not going to worry about what's coming up ahead. Today we're simply going to sit with our breath. There's nothing to figure out, no problems to solve, nothing special you need to do, other than giving your mind and body a rest. Just listen to my voice. By focusing on our breath, we're training our mind to be one with experience of what's happening right now without distraction. So start by bringing your awareness to the abdomen, relaxing the muscles there. See if you can feel the natural rising and falling as you breathe. Notice what it feels like, the breath in the belly. What does the inhale feel like versus the exhale? Just simply witness and observe. Imagine the body is breathing itself. From the navel around to the obliques, the sides of your body. Just notice the movement and the feeling with each breath. Just take a few breaths like this. Paying attention to the sides of your body. Again, if any thoughts or distractions come into your mind, and they will, just very gently notice that you were distracted and simply bring your awareness back to the breath. Now move your awareness up to the chest. As you inhale, tune into the expansion of the lungs and the rising of the chest. On each exhale, feel the contraction and movement. See if you can follow the feeling of the breath from the beginning of your inhalation through to the end of your exhalation. Just follow the breath. See if you can notice the point where the inhale turns into the exhale, and the point where the exhale turns into the inhale. Now bring your attention to the nostrils. The feeling of breath may be more subtle here. Try taking a nice, slow, deep breath in through your nose and feel what's present for you. You may notice the breath is cool as you breathe in. You may notice it's slightly warmer on the way out. Again, when the mind wanders, just simply redirect your attention back to your breath. Even if you have to do this many, many times, you're strengthening the focus muscle each time you do this. And it gets easier and easier the more you do it. Just continue to observe the breath in the body for the next couple minutes. In any area that you like. The nose, the chest, the stomach. But just be the observer. Of the feeling of the breath in your body. As we come towards the end of today's meditation, let's put our focus collectively on our hearts. Just picture the area in and around your heart. Feel into that area. You could even pull your shoulders back, opening your collarbone. And I want you to breathe in through your heart and out of your heart. Notice what that feels like. This tender area. Just feel into it, into your heart. Opening our hearts. Opening ourselves to others. For the last few breaths, simply breathe in and out through your heart. And feel the sensations. And that's the end of today's meditation. I hope you feel a little lighter, a little nicer from when we started. Give yourself credit for allowing your mind and body to focus on your inner environment, where so many times we're focused on the external. The more you do this, the more benefits your body will reap. So I hope you come to another meditation. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day or your evening.